what is up? So I know a lot of you saw my last video, and so we're just gonna be kind of doing like a little checkup on, the pretty much just on everything that happened, the stuff that, yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Oh, let's see. Allegedly, Isabel's supposed to be doing like my specialty. Let's see if we can go talk to her here. Oh, have we ever caught this one before? Oh, I don't think I've actually caught that one before. Oh my gosh. Everyone is just so amazed by my awesomeness. So, any of you who are in any sort of knowledge of anything will know that I played this a little earlier today. And so, just continuing the video. Let's see. Let's see, what are we gonna do? Let's ask Isabel about the fireworks. Oh, and I got a little hat. Firework that you can hold. I hear he's giving me a sparkler. Heck yeah, dude. Let's talk to Lucky. Roach, giant, colorful, a million pieces in the sky. This island just distracts everything. So yeah, maybe we should just sit here and watch some fireworks. Can I take a picture with my villagers here? $500 a ticket. I'm in. What are we gonna win? 13. A frozen treat. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, yeah, don't worry, there are no refunds. Red, I know you're here to scam everybody, so let's do our little sparkler. The fireworks. Oh. Sparklers. Sparklers, sparklers, sparklers. Ah, that's fun. That was fun. Let's see. I wonder if we can get a better view. Oh. Oh no. This is a better view. Oh man, I just got trees bombarding everything. Oh, wow, fireworks. I wonder, is Nick's Granny still open? I don't think it is, but we'll go check. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna sell my gramophone that I purchased earlier. Purchased. turns out I actually already have one. I can sell that. 17,000 bells. Could be a lot worse. A lot worse. We'll go check in on Sucker here. That's okay. Just to turn up the lift out in the middle of the walkway. Is that a bug I've already caught? A tiger beetle. What reaction was that, Twiggy? You want to see Twiggy across the sky? Prepared, ready for launch. Okay, is she gonna do it? I don't know what we're actually doing. Is that how do we get to control this? No. I don't understand. I decided to take the job. I've got fireworks ideas. Jaws, US flag, Jaws. Okay, what do we do? Can we do here? I'll get everything prepared and ready for launch. I can't tell if I missed something or if I need to do anything. Is it going to just do it up in the sky? Okay, there's green. It's just like the color palette. Blue. Blue. That one's red and orange. That one's purple. Blue. Purple. So kind of like what the... Oh, here we go. Hey. Jaws. Oh, that's awesome. You're playing Jaws. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Oh my goodness. America. Jaws. Tree. Then I think it just does. You know, I'm gonna have her do it one more time. Okay, now we're gonna go walk up here. Okay. Cross right here. I don't think they're doing it already. That'd be so depressing if they were. Okay, so I need to do another thing to have. Okay, still hasn't done it yet. I need to be. Okay, here we go. We're about to get the best unobstructed view. proceeds to get the most obstructed view possible. There we go. Camera, DIY recipe. Oh no, that's a good angle right there. Getting slightly above. Just sitting here watching the fireworks. It's so pretty. I wonder, are they going to be loaded up here, Isabel? Been waiting very patiently. Oh, here we go. Jaws. Jaws. America. Jaws. Boat. They're going to do the shark right on top of the boat. Oh, 3 of them. Just right there. Okay, wow. Hey, that's the end of it, I think. Oh no. Well, that was fun. Now what should we do? Oh my god, I forgot I had this here. I wonder if we can go, visit everyone real quick. If we hop on a plane. Is that a duplicate? No, that is not a duplicate. Okay, good. Hey, Lucky, how you doing, bud? Oh, that bug just bugged out, man. After 10,000 years, I'm free. Time to conquer Earth. Alpha, Rita's escaped. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitude. I want to fly. Actually, you don't. Yeah, let's go visit Harv's Island, actually. Harv's Island, please. Ba-ba-da-dum-da. Touchdown like reading novels. Harriet, how you doing tonight, Harriet? Welcome, take your time here, sugar. Good old Harriet. I remember before she was a hippie. Thanks, Harv. Hibiscus. Let's talk weed. $20 a clump. Oh my gosh. He loves weed. Leaf loves his weed. Waiting service, go back. Cleaning up the island. Oh my gosh. 100,000. That's not worth it for me here. Carrots and wheat. Carrots and wheat. Hey, Jordamer. Ben, what do you need? Okay, so there's no fireworks going on here. Here's our supermarket wall. That's okay. Hey, it's all okay here. I think we're just gonna do this. It's just gonna be a quick video. This dog, or I know this is like a cat. She's on crack for sure. That's like 100% right. She's something lucky. Many phases performing. And then Azure phase it again and again. Perhaps 20% of. I got here quite well. Yeah, a stronger bond, better than that. Well, Lucky is my best pal on the island, that's for sure. Please. Getting scammed by everyone. Lucky. Katrina. Kiha Monorata, Sally, Missionary, yay. Or BFFs. That's all. I hope your crystal guide is drinking your food. Jesus took 11,000 bells and ran. And what do you got here? Kicks. Oh, I paid for him to come here and I never actually came back. What do we got here? Kitty sneakers. I'm not a big fan of everything here, man. This is Reds, but I think that's where we're gonna end this video here. So, if you have had a fun time here, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what games you want me to play, and I hope you have a great rest of your sleep.